लोग करेंगे इंटीग्रेशन बाय सब्स्टिट्यूशन। सो हियर मान लो यहाँ दिया हुआ है dx बाय ए स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर। ट्रिगोनोमेट्री में हम लोग का क्लास 10th लेवल में तुम लोग पढ़ के आए हो। यहाँ पे 3 फार्मूला है। व्हाट आर दोस फार्मूला? एक फार्मूला है तुम्हारा साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा दिस इक्वल टू 1। तो यहाँ साइन स्क्वायर थीटा का वैल्यू आएगा तुम्हारा 1 माइनस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा, ये एक फार्मूला। सेकेंड 1 प्लस टेन स्क्वायर थीटा दैट इक्वल टू सेक स्क्वायर थीटा। थर्ड में हम लोगों ने लिए 1 प्लस कॉट स्क्वायर थीटा दैट इज इक्वल टू कोसेक स्क्वायर थीटा। यहां पे हम कर सकते हैं टेन स्क्वायर थीटा इक्वल टू हाउ मच? सेक स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस 1। क्यों ये फॉर्मूला हम कर रहे हैं? यहां देखो ए स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर दिया हुआ है। ए स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर जब दिया हुआ है तो ये फॉर्मूला में तुम्हारा फिट होगा 1 प्लस टेन स्क्वायर थीटा। तो यहां क्या करेंगे? x का वैल्यू हम लेंगे a टेन थीटा। जब x का वैल्यू a टेन थीटा यूज करेंगे तो x का dx का वैल्यू आएगा a इंटू टेन थीटा का डेरिवेटिव होता है सेक स्क्वायर थीटा इंटू डी थीटा। अभी आप पुट करो ये वैल्यू, dx का जगह पे पुट किए a सेक स्क्वायर थीटा इंटू डी थीटा, और यहां पे ये हो गया है ए स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर का वैल्यू हो गया ए स्क्वायर टेन स्क्वायर थीटा। इसको सिंप्लीफाई करने से ए सेक स्क्वायर थीटा इंटू डी थीटा बाय व्हाट? ए स्क्वायर हम कॉमन ले सकते हैं, तो जब ए स्क्वायर को कॉमन लेंगे, यहां ए स्क्वायर कॉमन लिए तो ये हो गया 1 प्लस टेन स्क्वायर थीटा। और तुम जानते हो 1 प्लस टेन स्क्वायर थीटा का वैल्यू कितना होता है? sec square theta. So here its value will be what? Integration a sec square theta by a square 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta into d theta. Sec square theta cancel, a and square cancel. तो फाइनली ये कितना आया तुम्हारा? इसका वैल्यू यहां आ गया अभी, दैट इज 1 by a, ये कांस्टेंट क्वांटिटी है, इसको आउटसाइड ले लो। 1 by a इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ what? d theta. And you know integration of dx is what? x. Integration of dv is what? v. Integration of d theta will be what? Theta. So its value is 1 by a into theta plus c. So it is 1 by a. What is the value of theta? देखो यहाँ पे क्या लिए हैं? x का वैल्यू है tan theta. Tan theta का वैल्यू आएगा x by a. Only theta is tan inverse x by a. So it is tan inverse x by a plus what? c. This is the formula you are getting. Clear? जैसा फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहां अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम इसका करते हैं, रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम, सपोज इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ dx बाय 9 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर। So what is our formula? dx by a square plus x square integration, that is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Here this can be represented as what? dx by 3 square plus x square. So now it is in your formula. A square plus x square. So what is its value? Its value will be 1 by a. A का value यहाँ 3 है, 1 by 3 tan inverse x by 3 plus what? c. This is one of the problem. Suppose you are taking another problem. Here dx by 11 plus 4x square suppose. So this can be written as what? dx by square root of 11 its square plus 2x whole square. अगर यहां पे हम 2x को t लेते हैं, 2x को अगर t लिए तो उसका डेरिवेटिव कितना है? 2 into dx, its value is going to be dt. तो dx का वैल्यू हो गया dt by 2. तो ये अभी क्या आया तुम्हारा? इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 1 by 2, ये हो गया dt by what? root 11 square plus t square. Again you are coming to the same form, a square plus x square. So what is its value? It will be 1 by a. So 1 by a का वैल्यू यहाँ root 11 है, root 11 tan inverse t by root 11 plus c. In place of t you put its value. Clear? इसमें कोई डाउट है? Next formula, you are coming to dx by s square minus x square. Here the next one is dx by s square minus x square its root over. s square minus x square, तो ये फॉर्म में आएंगे 1 माइनस cos स्क्वायर थीटा और 1 माइनस sin स्क्वायर थीटा, जो भी ले सकते हो तुम. तो यहां x का वैल्यू क्या लेंगे? a sin थीटा. a इसलिए ले रहे हैं क्योंकि यहां a स्क्वायर है, सो दैट वी आर एबल टू टेक कॉमन a स्क्वायर. तो यहां dx x का वैल्यू a sin थीटा होने से dx का वैल्यू कितना होगा? a sin थीटा का डेरिवेटिव कितना? cos थीटा into d थीटा. Now you change its value, so it will be what? dx by, in place, sorry, dx का जब वैल्यू कितना आया? a cos थीटा d थीटा divided by a square minus x square means a square sin square theta. So what you are getting? a cos theta d theta. Here when you are taking common a square, जब a square यहाँ कॉमन लेंगे 1 minus sin square theta का वैल्यू कितना आएगा? a square को कॉमन लिए तो ये हो गया 1 minus sin square theta its root over. It will be what? 1 minus sin square theta का वैल्यू कितना होता है? cos square theta. So here it is a cos theta d theta by a square cos square theta its root over. So it will be what? a cos theta d theta by a cos theta. a square का स्क्वायर रूट हो गया a, cos square theta का स्क्वायर रूट cos theta. a cos theta and a cos theta cancel. Integration of what? You are getting integration of d theta. तो d theta का integration कितना होता है? That is theta. So it is theta plus c. यहां पे देखो sin थीटा का वैल्यू x by a है, ओनली थीटा का वैल्यू कितना आएगा? sin inverse x by a plus c. So this is the second formula you are getting. dx by square root of a square minus x square. Its value is what? Sin inverse x by a. For example, here integration of dx by suppose 4 minus x square its square root. So this can be written as what? dx by square root of 2 square minus x square. तो कितना आएगा इसका वैल्यू? Here it is s square minus x square. Formula is what? Sin inverse x by a. So its value is sin inverse. What is the x by 2 plus c? This is your answer. Suppose here another problem, dx by, second problem you are taking, number 1, this is number 2. Integration of dx by 6 minus 9x square suppose. Here it is like this. तो अभी इसको उस फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करेंगे a square minus x square. तो क्या होगा ये? Integration of dx by root 6 square minus 3x its whole square its root over. Now you take 3x as t. 3x को जब t लेंगे 3 into dx, ये कितना हो गया? dt. dx is what? dt by 3. You put that value here. 1 by 3, here it is dt by square root of root 6 square minus t square. ये आ गया तुम्हारा फॉर्म में क्या? s square minus x square. What is its integration? Sin inverse x by a. So it will be 1 by 3 sin inverse t by root 6 plus 6. So here it is 1 by 3 sin inverse. What is the value of t? t का वैल्यू क्या है तुम्हारा? 3x. So it is 3x by root 6 plus c. Clear? कोई डाउट है? This is your second formula. Next one is dx by x square minus s square or x square plus s square, its root over. So here it is, integration of dx by x square minus s square, its root over. Here it is x square minus s square. You see this formula, sec square theta minus 1. So x का वैल्यू हम कितना लेंगे, x you take a sec theta. When you are taking x as a sec theta, तो dx का वैल्यू कितना आएगा बताओ? What is the value of dx? dx का वैल्यू, yes, it is a sec theta into tan theta into what? d theta. You put this value here. In place of dx, you put a sec theta tan theta into d theta by square root of x square, that is a square sec square theta minus s square. What will be its value? This is a sec theta tan theta d theta by, here it is a square, you are taking common, sec square theta minus 1, this is what? Tan square theta. Clear? Now what will be its value? It is now a sec theta into tan theta d theta. You have square root of a square tan square theta, that is a tan theta. A cancel, tan theta cancel. What you are getting? This is integration of sec theta into d theta. And you know what is the integration of sec theta d theta? That is ln sec theta plus tan theta plus c. So here, what is the value of sec theta? You are getting x by a. So it is ln. In place of sec theta, you put x by a. What is the value of tan theta? Sec square theta will be x square by a square, and tan square theta will be what? X square by a square minus. So the value of sec theta you are getting x by a. Tan theta का value अगर यहाँ से निकालेंगे, tan theta का value कितना आएगा? Tan theta will be sec square theta minus 1 its square root. It will be x square by a square minus 1 its square root. So it will be what? X square minus a square root over divided by what? A. So you put this value here. It is square root of x square minus a square by a plus c. Here its value is ln. LCM you are getting a. It is ln x plus square root of x square minus a square minus ln a, because ln a by b is what? Ln a minus ln b. तो माइनस ln a करेंगे. ln a इज ए कांस्टेंट क्वांटिटी. अगर एक बार के लिए मैं लिख रहा हूं यहां माइनस ln a प्लस c, ये दोनों कंबाइन होने के बाद जितना भी कांस्टेंट क्वांटिटी अगर है तो बट यू आर गोइंग टू रिप्रेजेंट वन कांस्टेंट क्वांटिटी. तो इसलिए इसका फॉर्मूला फाइनल आएगा ln x प्लस स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ x स्क्वायर माइनस a स्क्वायर प्लस c. This is the formula for this one. Integration of dx by x square minus a square. Clear? Next, suppose dx by x square plus a square its square root. What is its value? That you have to find out. So here, integration of dx by x square plus a square its root over. It is what? 1 plus tan square theta उस फॉर्म में है. तो x का वैल्यू यहां कितना लेंगे? x का वैल्यू लेंगे a tan theta. dx कितना आएगा? a tan theta का डेरिवेटिव हो गया sec square theta into d theta. You put here. dx का जगह पे कितना पुट करेंगे? a sec square theta into d theta by x square, it is a square tan square theta plus a square its root over. So it will be a sec square theta d theta. Here we can take common a square, tan square theta plus 1. This is what? Sec square theta. So a square sec square theta its root over. So what will be its value? It will be a sec square theta by a sec theta into d theta, its integration. So a and a cancel, sec theta and square cancel. So what you are getting? Integration of sec theta d theta. Integration of sec theta d theta, its value is what? Ln sec theta plus tan theta plus c. Integration of sec theta का वैल्यू ये है. तो tan theta you are getting what? X by a. And what is the value of sec theta? If you want to sec square theta or sec theta, you can say it is 1 plus tan square theta, its root over. So it will be 1 plus x square by a square, its root over. So it will be a square plus x square root over divided by what? A. So here, suppose this will be what? Ln sec theta. In place of sec theta, you put what? A square plus x square, its root over by a plus tan theta. We are getting how much? Tan theta is x by a plus c. So what will be its value? This will be ln x square plus a square, its root over plus x minus ln a plus c. Two constant quantity when they are going to be added. So again you are getting a constant quantity. So the final formula you remember, ln x plus square root of x square plus a square plus what? C. This is the formula for integration of dx by x square plus a square, its root over. Clear? Suppose you want to solve any problem here. Dx by x square plus 9, its root over. This is there. So what we can write it as dx by x square plus 3 square, its root over. So what your formula says? Ln x plus x square plus a square root over. So it is ln x plus square root of x square plus 9 plus what? C. This is your answer. Simple. Just you have to remember the form. So here it is what? Dx by square root of x square plus a square integration is ln x plus square root of x square plus a square plus c. Next you come to two other formulas are there on substitution. Here suppose integration of dx by a square minus x square. This you have to find out. So here you take x as a sin theta. Dx we will find it as a cos theta d theta. So you put the value of dx here as a cos theta d theta. Here it is a square minus x square means a square sin square theta. Now what we can take common? Here it is a cos theta d theta. इसमें से क्या कॉमन ले सकते हैं? We can take common what out of this two? A square. A square कॉमन लेंगे तो यहाँ क्या बचेगा? 1 minus sin square theta. Its value is what? Cos square theta. A and square cancel. Cos theta and square cancel. So it is 1 by a. 1 by cos theta. This is what? Sec theta into d theta. Its integration. So it will be what? 1 by a. Its integration is ln sec theta plus tan theta plus c. So here, what is the value of sec theta and what is the value of tan theta, that you have to find out. X we have taken. Sin theta you are getting how much? Sin theta we are getting x by a. Then what is the value of cos theta? That will be 1 minus sin square theta, 1 minus x square by a square. Its root over. So what will be its value? A square minus x square root over divided by what? A. Then what is the value of sec theta? That is the reciprocal of. So from here we can calculate the value of sec theta as what? Sec theta you are getting a by square root of s square minus x square, and tan theta you are getting how much? Sin by cos, a and a cancel, it is x by square root of s square minus x square. This value you are getting. Okay, then we have to put this value. So it is 1 by a ln, in place of sec theta you put what is its value? A by square root of s square minus x square. And what is the value of tan theta? Tan theta is what? X by square root of s square minus x square plus c. So what will be its value now? 1 by a, it is ln a plus x by square root of s square minus x square plus c. So what will be its value now? 1 by a ln, it is a plus x. Here this can be written as square root of a minus x into square root of a plus x plus c. So it is 1 by a ln, when you are going to make it cancel, it is square root of a plus x by square root of a minus x plus c. Or we can say it as 1 by a ln a plus x by a minus x to the power half plus c. Then you take this power here. So it will be 1 by 2 into 1 by a. This will be 1 by 2a ln a plus x by a minus x plus c. This is the formula for dx by s square minus x square इंटीग्रेशन. क्लियर? कोई डाउट है इसमें? अब इसका ऊपर एक प्रॉब्लम करते हैं. So here, suppose one problem is given. Dx by 9 minus x square its integration. It will be what? Dx by 3 square minus x square. So what will be its value? Dx by x square minus x square का क्या फॉर्मूला है तुम्हारा? 1 by 2a. So what is the value of a? A का वैल्यू कितना है? 3. तो 1 by 2a बोलने से 2 into 3 ln a plus x. So a is what? 3 plus x by a minus x. This is 3 minus x plus what? C. This is your answer. So you see how much simple this one. But first, अगर डेरिवेशन सभी फार्मूला का तुम लोगों को पता है तो कभी भी तुम्हारा गलती नहीं होगा, because you know the root how to find out. नेक्स्ट फॉर्मूला इज dx by x square minus s square. अगर यहां पे है तुम्हारा dx by x square minus s square, इस केस में क्या करेंगे? x square minus s square means x square theta minus 1. ये है फॉर्मूला अपना पास. तो x का वैल्यू कितना लेंगे? Here you take x as what? a sec theta. What is the value of dx? This will be what? a sec theta into tan theta into d theta. So here what will be its value? Dx by x square. What is the value of x square? It is a square sec square theta minus a square. So it will be what? Dx by a square you are taking common. Sec square theta minus 1, its value is what? Tan square theta. Sorry, here you put the value of dx as, what is the value of dx? That is a sec theta tan theta d theta. Here also you put a sec theta tan theta d theta. A and square cancel, tan theta and square cancel. So what you are getting? 1 by a. Sec theta by tan theta. Sec is 1 by cos, tan is sin by cos. So it will be 1 by sin theta. Or you can write here 1 by cos theta. Here it is sin theta by cos theta into d theta. Cos theta and cos theta cancel. So it is 1 by a. Integration of 1 by sin theta. This is what? Cosec theta into d theta. So here, what is the value of integration of cosec theta? That is 1 by a ln cosec theta minus cot theta प्लस सी। अब इसका वैल्यू निकालते हैं। सेक थीटा का वैल्यू आ रहा है तुम्हारा कितना, सेक थीटा यू आर गेटिंग एक्स बाई ए, तो कॉस थीटा कितना आएगा, कॉस थीटा हो गया ए बाई एक्स। कॉस थीटा ए बाई एक्स होने से साइन थीटा का वैल्यू कितना आएगा तुम्हारा 1 माइनस एस स्क्वायर बाय एक्स स्क्वायर, इट्स रूट ओवर, सो इट विल बी एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस एस स्क्वायर रूट ओवर बाय व्हाट एक्स। Then here what will be its value 1 by a ln cosec theta, that is 1 by sin theta, its value will be x by square root of x square minus a square, minus cot theta का वैल्यू कितना आएगा, cos by sin, x x cancel, so it is a by square root of x square minus a square plus c. What will be its value 1 by a ln x minus a by, this can be written as x plus a root over into square root of x minus a plus c. So it is 1 by a ln, when you are going to make it cancel, it is x minus a root over by what, square root of x plus a plus c. So it is 1 by a ln x minus a by x plus a to the power what, half plus c. Now you take this power half to here, तो ये कितना हो गया अभी तुम्हारा, दिस विल बी 1 by 2a ln x minus a by x plus a plus c. This is the second formula, dx by x square minus a square. इसका भी कोई एग्जांपल मान लो यहां ले रहे हैं, dx by, here it is x square minus 9, its integration, it is what, dx by x square minus 3 square. So what will be its value, इसका वैल्यू कितना आएगा 1 by 2a, so it is 1 by 2 into a is 3 ln x minus 3 by what, x plus 3 plus what, c. This is the value. Clear? तो यहां हम लोग को अभी ये ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन से we are getting new formula for integration and these are easy formulas, but you have to remember, अगर ये तुम लोग का कंट्रोल कमांड में पूरा फॉर्मूला रहेगा तो इजीली प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर पाओगे। Another last one is your dx by x into square root of x square minus a square. Dx by x into square root of x square minus a square. Here also you take x as what, a sec theta, because x square minus a square is there. Then what is the value of dx? A sec theta into tan theta into d theta. You put this value here. dx का जगह में put करो a sec theta tan theta into d theta by what, x, that is a sec theta, and here it is what, x square, that is a square sec square theta minus a square. A cancel, sec theta cancel. What you are getting, tan theta, and here you are getting how much, a square you are taking common, so a square after taking common, sec square theta minus 1, that is what, tan square theta, its root over into d theta. So its value is what, tan theta by s a tan theta into d theta. Tan theta and tan theta cancel. अब क्या आया तुम्हारा, its value is what, 1 by a integration of what, d theta. That is 1 by a integration of d theta is theta plus c. You see here sec theta का वैल्यू कितना है यहाँ पे, x by a, only theta कितना आएगा, sec inverse x by a, तो इस वैल्यू को यहाँ पुट करो, so this will be 1 by a sec inverse x by a plus what, c. This is the integration of dx by x into square root of x square minus a square. इसका भी सपोज ले सकते हैं, सपोज dx by x into square root of x square minus 9, ये इस फॉर्म में अगर लाएंगे dx by x into square root of x square minus 3 square, so what will be its value, 1 by a का वैल्यू कितना है यहाँ 3, तो ये 1 by 3 sec inverse x by 3 plus c. Clear? तो ये 7 फॉर्मूला we are getting here, और जो 3 फॉर्मूला है वो नेक्स्ट क्लास में करेंगे। वो तीनों फॉर्मूला क्या है, a square plus x square dx integration and here x square minus a square dx, its square root integration, and another one is a square minus x square into dx integration. ये तीन इंटीग्रेशन बाय पार्ट्स यूज करके इसको करेंगे. टोटल यहाँ 10 फॉर्मूलाज है तुम्हारा. ये 10 फॉर्मूला को कमांड में लो. इंटीग्रेशन बहुत इजी लगने लगेगा अगर इस फॉर्मूला का ऊपर तुम्हारा क्लैरिटी रहे और इसका कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स करो. रिपीटेडली यू डू द प्रॉब्लम्स और नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम वो प्रॉब्लम भी करेंगे.